Hey everybody, Arco here. Welcome to the fourth round of the Blizzard's Open Tournament, hosted on GM Arena server. We are playing a Las Vegas Progressive World Dom game, with blizzards, of course, and unstable portals. Alright, 60 seconds, full list of settings, and I believe there is a no bonus modifier on this one. So nobody will be able to take a bonus until there has been a death. And the blizzards are all on the left half of this map. Okay, we'll do that and then probably just that. We'll move into that territory there. But alright, players in the round 4 group. We have Julious, Balay, Master, ourselves, Lucy Bhat, Expert, Clive, Chatterjee, Master Stanley Grandmaster, Feliz, Master Stanley Grandmaster as well, and Redolinu, quote-unquote expert. Okay, so that green 2 and the black 2 does connect. I have to remember that in case I have to go through that path. So we survived past the first cut, and I think we're still in the point stages here. this tournament, but I remember this one has like multiple upper, middle, lower bracket based on points and whatever method that is. Don't fully remember how that worked. So we'll have to see later on. Alright, we are now in a 4.5, 5 position play technically. Pardon me. This map does seem a bit small for 6 people to try and hide effectively, at least. I got 2 plus 2's right beside that spot. Well, is pink offline? Uh-oh. Well, time to add near that. Okay. Try and make sure that doesn't die. Okay. So the portals are going to be closed on the bot's turn. And I guess the can't take a bonus thing doesn't really apply to the bot, because then the penalty for doing that is to bot out. You take a bonus and hold. Alright, well, let's see what it does. Still, but hopefully everything's alright. Oh, is it going to remove the kill guard? Oh, it hits a 3. Okay. Hits that 3. It's slowly take it back. Oh, they're back. Okay. They are back in the game. They early traded and lost some material, hitting 3s. Yeah, they lost 5 troops, hitting 2 3s, so that's not ideal. Alright, well, whatever happened, hopefully Pink stays in the game now. Now, the early trade does benefit both myself and Orange, because we're now going to be getting the 6 and 8 trade instead of the 4 and 6 trade, respectively. And then I got lots of +2/+2 options. Yeah, I'll probably take Las Vegas North. And combine that to my 5 on a 4-on-1, and then save this +2 for later at the bottom. accidentally take a bonus. And guess when Pink bought it, they did it at the end of their turn, so the bot didn't get a card. So they're behind a card. Okay, no trade on 3. Oh man, no trade. No trade on 4 is rough. I am on 44 troops though. So there's a chance I could be fine, but I doubt it. Okay, orange not trading right away helps a bit. Okay, I won't get the +2. Does Feliz trade on 4 to kill pink on 4? Looks like what is about to happen. Yeah. And depending on his dice, he might be able to chain us. We'll have to see how positive he goes on pink. He can reach the 3 that's guarded by us because of that unstable portal. Okay, it's not going for a kill. So that does improve everybody else's trades. $25 for green. So orange gets the 30. I get the 35 if I don't die to orange. Oh, it looks like I'm gonna be dead first here. But how does he get through? Is he lining someone else? Nope, just goes right through. Tragic. No set on 4. Either way, that was a well played kill there from green. Looks like he has enough to get orange. So do the 1 and 8 and then the 5, 6. Not quite enough. Okay. But he's going to be on 4. Yeah, rough time to have no set. So now Julious trades. He could potentially kill pink and black here. Yeah, and then get a fortify the 6 back to improve the reduce the amount of troops on the 5. Make that like a 12. 11's also fine. And the rest in the middle, it looks like. Yep, that will be enough. Yep, well played, Julius. That's 2 bounties. Double trades. Should have enough to get green here with the double trade. Is he lining up Feliz? That doesn't set you in. Interesting. Yeah, it doesn't set him in, so Redolinu will have a chance to sweep the board here if he has a set on 4. And he does. Yeah, Feliz is laughing because that should have been a kill into green first for the intern trade and then a kill on Feliz for a first and 4. But now he might get second and 3 instead, assuming these dice work. 9v8, really good dice there. Just needs to use the 59. Oh, not good enough dice. Alright, well, never mind. Orange gets the first and 4 bounties anyways. Again, assuming these dice... Actually, it's going to be close. The troop count is a lot closer than I anticipated. Just a reminder that the no bonus modifier is no longer active. Ooh, bad dice there. So yeah, so it won't be a win here. So this does come down to card luck. But even without cards, that's enough of the board held for orange to get the win anyway. Yeah, but smart move using the portals right before they change. So now orange has to awkwardly try and place everything here. It's got to rely on 4-on-1s or 3-on-1s for everything. 5v2. Yeah, 3-on-1. That lands. 5v2. That connects. 7 split is 2 4v1s, assuming nothing is lost. Oh, forgot about the 1 in the middle. Although it would have been close either way. Alright. Set on 3 time. Do we see it? Ah, we do not. Alright, so with all that back and forth, orange does get their first and 4 bounties. Well played to Julious and Redolinu in that one. Yeah, unfortunate no trade on 4 time, especially with the bot out making the player who see Bhat right below me weaker just because the bot that took over for that one turn immediately lost 5 troops. But alrighty, so that was the 4th round of the Blizzards Open. If we don't get eliminated the next round, I'm assuming will be sometime next week, depending on the scheduling. But if we do, then other tournaments still to come as well, of course. But alright, GG's once again to all of our opponents. Until next time, everybody, take care and cheers for stopping by.